Hi Scorpios, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do a love reading, you versus them. Alright, and we'll see what are the cards for both of you in whatever situation you are, what are the blockages and what are the actions you and they are going to take. Alright, so if you are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is a general reading, it might or might not resonate with all of you. Alright Scorpios, so let's start with your reading now for my Scorpios. Let's see what are the love messages from the universe. What is there in whatever situation they are. Okay, so last shuffle please. Okay, let's get started. At the back of the deck, the energy between you both is the Page of Rods and the Hanged Man. Alright, so there is someone over here, who is not doing anything, but who is more like waiting for a message to come really fast. And this person is being very impatient, I'm seeing, and impatiently waiting, basically. Impatiently waiting. Yes. Let's see what is this. Okay. How you see them as the sun, you see them as a very positive person, as a reflection of yours only. When you look at them, so it's more like you are seeing the same person, the same reflection of whomsoever you are, the same kind of a person. If you are enthusiastic, they are also same. If you are a very introvert kind of person, they are the same. So you are seeing a lot of positive things. How they are looking you as the Five of Cups, it's like they are seeing you as you are gone. They are regretting for some things as well. They are feeling that you are gone and you are not going to come back again. Let's see what is the sun about in your reading. Let's see, why is the sun over here? Why is the sun here? Ten of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. See, you see them as the happy card, the happiness of your life. They might be rich as well, but more than that, you really feel that the stability comes with them. When you are with them, it's your life, it becomes stable, you also become mature. When you talk to them, it's like wow, they can heal you, they talk to you, they give you the exact, when you want to, if you want to invest on your on something, they are really good advisors in that thing as well. So it's a full package, basically. You really look them like that. Let's see how they look to you. Five of Cups, Seven of Swords, all right, and Death, and this one, Six of Wands. Let me see. They see you as the attention seeker. I don't know why I'm getting it again and again, but they really feel that you are here, you are a gold digger. I don't know why I just said that. Okay, I'm sorry if it hurts. So they are feeling that you are an attention seeker and you really want to just, you just want money from them. I'm not saying it's the cards who are saying. And that is why I think that they really want to end something. It's you, Death, Scorpio. It's like they are feeling that okay, I couldn't see it before, but now I'm realizing that this person was just the attention seeker. This person wanted the attention, the fame, the success, the name and fame, everything from me. And this person doesn't want anything. But it's not true actually, or might be, I don't know, it's your reading, you might be knowing better than me. So there is some negativity, you are looking towards the positive signs and they are looking towards the negative signs. Let's see one more card for your side. Let's see what are they thinking. Is it really correct? Strength and High Priestess. No, it's more like, you are caressing this person like a child, like the way you love yourself, you love this person the same way. And you are not like that. You don't want money. It's more of, it might be that they might not be thinking about it, but it is more about that the people around this person, they are very much, they are telling that this person is just for money. That is why this person has come in your life. But I don't feel that it's actually the case. No. Let's see, why is the blockage? 5 of Pentacles, 7 of Pentacles. Why is this blockage? 7 of Pentacles. Okay. Yes. See, I don't know why I was expecting this card somewhere. 5 of Swords. It's more like that, there is someone over here. There's a strong feeling that someone is coming in between you both, and they are actually telling this person that this person is just for money. So just move on and go for something else which looks more stable. So that is why this person is actually coming in the coming in the talks, or actually accepting whatever the people around this person are saying. So this person is accepting all the talks and listening to them actually. So the steps which you are going to take action is 8 of Cups. I really feel that you are going to leave this person. You are moving on because you are not ready to accept this kind of talks for you. You are like, I never expected this thing, that you would come and tell me that I wanted money. Never. So it's better to move on, to leave you, rather than staying in this situation, I'm saying. Let's see, what else do we have? Yes, the Magician, and what else? It's going to be your decision, full your decision. With the Magician, it's you who are going to take that decision, because you are someone who is, a very pure heart. I don't know why I'm saying a lot of good stuff for you, but it's actually looking in your cards. The way they are thinking about you, it's not like that. And it's more of a situation where you are not ready to deal with these kind of people, because they are bad mouthing about you. They might not be doing this by themselves, but it's someone else behind their back. So that is why they are all indulged in these things. Let's see what the actions they are going to take. Hermit. They are not going to take any action, but yes, they are going to go deep now, because after you moving on, you leaving them behind, there is a lot of soul searching to do, because how can you just listen to some people and can take a decision of your life? How? So they are going spiritually deep now. They have to go, because that's the enlightenment. That's the thing which, when you have to understand a situation, you have to understand while being alone. You might be dealing with a Virgo as well. Queen of Cups. See, when you have to listen to your intuition. So there will be a time coming up. I don't know when it will come, but it will come, when they will actually talk to their intuition. They will listen to their intuition, that this person actually loved me, and I, okay, see what else do we have. Temperance. See, so much of soul searching, so much balancing your mind and heart, meditation. They're going to get involved in something where they really need to enter and decide that whatever they did was wrong. They have to do that thing. This is important. So the final outcome is Four of Pentacles. Let's see what is this Four of Pentacles about. Why is this Four of Pentacles here? Two of Wands. Okay, what else do we have? Two of Swords. All right. King of Swords and Five of Wands. Okay, so before ending all these things, I really feel that, I don't know why, but it's more like there might be some conflicts arising between both of you, but I'm seeing that you are going to be very clear, because this person won't be able to take any decision, because this person is in the middle of two roads, not able to decide because of the closed eyes. Their eyes are closed. They are only ready to hear what the people are saying, but they are not able to see what is actually in front of them. So they are in that mode where they do not even know. Might be dealing with a Libra, because this is a lot of Libra energy over here. So they are not ready to decide. They are not able to decide that what can I do, and they're still holding on, because they trust the people who are telling bad things about you. They are trusting them more right now. So there might be conflicts, and you will be clear about everything, that I do not want this bullshit, whatever you are saying, so it's better for me to leave you and move on in my life. Alright, so that's all, Scorpios. I hope it helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.